What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing a starter relay on a 2020 Grizzly 700. Here's the relays for the four-wheeler, the Yamaha, the Grizzly. This is the original one from the four-wheeler, off of the four-wheeler. So at first, whenever we get looking at relays, I ordered this one. And as you can see, the plugs are different here. So that won't work with our 2020 like I thought it would have, but it will not. So after a close inspection, I ordered another one that looks just like this one. It'll be here Saturday, but I just figured I'd cut and show you that. On to the rest of the video. So this is our Grizzly. And here's the problem we're having. Turn the key on. You know, you get power and all that stuff on the display screen. Once you go push the start button, that's what happens. So, to get to your starter relay, turn your power off, obviously. But it's under this black cover right here on your 2020s. I don't know about any other model. This is just a 2020 model that we have here. And I haven't seen any videos on the 2020, so I thought I'd make one to help any other people. So you just pull up these little clips, slide it out of this groove, and right down here is your relay. You want to pull this rubber boot back already, but you won't pull this. Got two of these rubber boots. You got this one on the positive one too. You got two bolts you got to take out, and you unplug your pigtail, and that's how you take it out. These bolts are 8 millimeters. Get my homemade T-handle here. There you go. That one's cracked loose. And then we gotta get the positive one. I'm doing the positive one now. Make sure you don't lose your bolts. That would not be a very good decision. So you get your bolt out. Put that somewhere where you can keep it and not lose it. Get your other one out, your negative one. Don't just drop the bolt like I did. Luckily it didn't go down in there. That would have been very bad. So you got your two bolts. Put them somewhere. Unplug your pigtail. Like that. Set that out of the way. And then from here, you just pull up on your relay. And it should come out. This little rubber piece just goes on these little pins. And here's our new relay. I took the old bolts and put them in here already, so just so I wouldn't lose them. And so to put this in, it's exactly the opposite of what we just did to take it out. I'm going to slide it down over these plastic posts. And then I'm going to plug in the pigtail, connect the leads, and replace the starter relay. So let's get to work. I didn't bring my T-handle. I brought this ratchet instead this time, but in all reality, I should have brought my T-handle because the ratchet is not long enough to reach. But the good thing is these don't really get tight. I don't know if you can see in the positive lead here, but it has it can only go in so deep. It's only, you know, it stops the bolt, so you don't have to worry about getting tight. You just have to make sure it bottoms out. I didn't film putting the new one in because it's just really just the same as taking the old one out. But you just plug in your pigtail, replace your rubber boots, and see if it starts. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.